Now, Alan Cruises, my name is a celebrity truck. Kotuli gena maso belengo subscribing ku channel ya Fenunje nyo ogene maso kubanga ate ofuna amawulire agaka gwawo awamuna abastabo abakyusiza eggwanga mu nseno 2019 mwezi gwa December tugezaako kubanga omwezi tugunzika mu ngeri y'enjawulo ninyogola kutegeeza go omuvubuka aliyeyo ali mu holiday kikyokoze omwaka guno nga tegunnagwako olunaku olwaleero njagala okwanjulira mwana muwala wamu ne mwana mulenzi Ezekiel wamu ne Esther ng'abaana bano bakiikira Uganda mu East African Has Got Talent. This is their first time okubeera ku show eno oba okulabika ku BBS of Fina. Alan Cruz gemanya Facebook Alan Cruz, Instagram official Alan Cruz jabonfuna bulungi nnyo batugenda kunyumyako ebintu bitono nnyo wamu ne mwana mulenzi bayimbi balungi nnyo bawuli amaloboozi gaabwe malungi nnyo ebigambo bye tugenda okuba nga twogera bil inspirational era gwe omuzadde ali eyo nalikuwadde amagezi nti ogezangako nnyo okulaba nga omwana wo awozimbira ku kitone kwekyo kinyini ky'aba alina awo nyine tugenda okuba nga tutandikira olunaku olwaleero basooke beeyanjule. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm okay, thank you.
What's your name?
Esther Mtesasura.
Sorry?
Esther Mtesasura.
Esther Mtesasura. How old are you?
I'm 15.
15 years. Which school?
Hannah International.
Hannah. Which class?
I'm promoted from 3.
From 3.
Yes.
How is it going so far?
It's good.
Good. Okay, hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
You have a small voice. Did you notice that?
Yeah.
Have you ever been there and you're like, oh my God, my voice is small?
Because I'm young.
You're young? How old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
11 years old.
Yeah.
Which class?
I'm in grade 6.
Sorry?
I'm in grade 6.
Grade 6.
Yeah.
Which school?
Homestead.
Homestead. Okay. How have you found life so far? Being a celebrity, guys are calling you everywhere, kids are shouting your name, you know?
Yeah, it feels great because it was my dream to become a celebrity. It was my dream because I've been with my mom for some years. I've been seeing her going to perform, and I also want to perform, and I was like, I also want to become a celebrity. So it feels really great, and it's my dream. Someone, if you have a dream and you want to become it, so it's my dream come true.
Who is your inspirational artist? Which artist inspires you?
Professionally, it's Maria Carey. Then Uganda, it's my mom.
Your mom? Dream Tesasila.
Yes.
Tell us about your mom. How does she inspire you?
Her voice is really strong, and she sings. She worships very well. She's my mom, and I like her. She's my inspiration. Yeah.
What has she been always advising you as you've been growing?
Ezekiel, be a good boy. If you ever become a celebrity, never get proud. Be kind, be humble, and always go to school. Your education is important. Yeah.
Do you miss her?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. So look into the camera and send a message to her.
Mommy, I miss you and I love you. Thanks for all. Yeah.
Did she support you in any way while you're in the competitions?
Yeah, she did. She encouraged me actually. Yeah, with my auntie Barrier Gladys, she's always with me. If I'm crying, I hug her and I stop.
You do cry a lot?
I beg your pardon?
You do cry a lot?
Yeah, not really, no. Not really, but when I'm hurt or when I'm scared of something, yeah.
What are you doing in the holidays? Now school is done now. Like,
I'm revising my books, going to some parties, performing, praying, going to church, worshiping in church. Yeah.
which music would you prefer to be doing? Gospel, secular, which music?
I'll be doing inspirational music and gospel.
Why?
Why? It's because gospel is for God, and I love inspirational music. Yeah.
Okay. Nyabu.
Wanje.
Wangambye oluganda olutege olwogera bulungi. Amanya bakuyitani. Kati mutuli mu Luganda lutwale tubabuuza mu Luzungu.
Esther Mtesasura.
Esther Mtesasura. Omanyi kye weddira?
Engo.
Weddira ngo? Okay. Wanji?
Sibikiriza.
Lwaki?
Just.
So Esther, obulamu bugenda butya okuba nga oli celebrity, obeera ku ssomero, abaana bakuwa respect y'amaanyi, abasomesa bakuwa respect y'amaanyi?
Obulamu bugenda bulungi because now life is different. Abaana banjagala, it's not like before. Kubanga eddako nga you've not yet become a celebrity nga abaana tebakumanyi. naye kati nti kati twawungula East Africa kati I'm known like in school abaana bangoya bwe ngenda abaana bangamba ngulyayo ku break ngulyayo ku gundi. Yeah.
How was the experience mu house? Yeah, mugundi mu East Africa's Got Talent. Soko tubulire ku experience bwe yali. Kiche wayigayo and kiche wayigayo sawa zino kyokozesa mu bulamu.
Nayiga obuvumu. Kubanga nze nali ntya nnyo nga ngenda ku stage nze golab. I used to have stage fright. Naye kati East Africa yanjigiriza abengi so on stage sitya nnyo nga luli.
Mami wakuyambye atya okuzimba ekitone kyo?
Mami wange anyambye ayogera nange nangamba how to use the stage, nangamba how to sing, how to correct notes, nanjigiriza how to maintain my voice on stage, how to maintain the microphones and all that.
Osobola okwidentifyinga nti wano ngenze mu note bweti wano ngenze mu note bweti at this age?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how often do you talk to her?
Always.
Omuntu yandyebuuzizza bw'oba Esther ng'oyogera Oluganda bw'oti ng'olumanyi lwaki temugezezaako kuyimba ku nnyimba z'Oluganda like?
We are tugenda kutandika okuzimba.
Music ki gwe mwandyagadde okukola? Mwandyagadde kukola secular music, gospel music, oba which kind of music?
Gospel. Gospel music.
Why?
Because gospel, we are born again Christians. We love God. And yeah, gospel inspires me a lot. I just love gospel so much.
What do you talk about omuntu omuvubuka ali eyo ayina ekintu kyakoze naye nga kimufudde kyali naye ng'amalala saawa zino mangi gwe amalala gagezezzaako nnyo kukontrolinga gatya n'oyawula nti kati wano sijja kukola malala wano ka time ya kino?
Amalala si kintu kirungi kubanga ne sitaani yali alina amalala n'ava mu ggulu n'agwa kitamuleetera okugwa naye amalala si kintu kirungi because if you be proud you lose lots of friends obeera olina amalala you lose lots of titles you had like best friends naye kati if you're not proud and you're humble and you love everyone that's really good.
Mikwano ki gy'osinga okwagala okwetooloola? Mikwano kikaaki?
Njagala abantu prayerful, abantu humble, loving and funny. Kubanga njagala nnyo okuseka. Okay, I'm funny sometimes, something like that.
Memories ki z'olina z'ogamba nti with mom I used to do this and saawa zino binnyambye mu bulamu?
Memories? Okubeera ne dad ne mami. Memories singa okuyimbira nga daddy ayimba because he's not okay, he's good.
Daddy muyimbi mulungi?
Muyimbi naye musumba. So waba ayogera nange ayina engeri gy'ayimbamu ennyimba ze kale zize nga ziye kati kyekisinga okumusesa. Then mami kale tulinga nga wogamba abooluganda we can just netuseka something like that. Bwetwogera ku mami, do you miss her?
What?
Do you miss mami?
Of course.
Katuna mu kamera awo obeeyo obaka bw'ogamba mami?
Mami, I love you, I miss you, and you're my inspiration.
Omuntu ayagala okumanya ekyo ky'ogambye nti gwe ne mami mulinga nga baaluganda. Ayagala omubuulire enkolagana yo wakati wo ne mami.
Nze ne mami, I don't know, kale chili mumusai, I don't really know. Where we can, asobola okungamba ekizibu kye nange ne mugamba ekyange. Ne twogera ne tuseka. Oba kale oba nga tuyinza okubeera nga tutandika okuyimba, ayinza okuba mu kisenge kye n'ayimba, nze ne nve nange ne mujoining. So it's like a connection. Ani
akuinspiringa mu ddoboozi ly'oyimba?
The late Whitney Houston is my inspiration and my mom. Yeah.
Okay. Awo omuntu we yandigambidde n'agamba nti okay, anyway. Kamala okuddayo wa Ezekiel. Ezekiel.
Yeah.
You say who inspires you?
Mariah Carey and my mom.
Mariah Carey and your mom. What's the best song from your mom?
The song she sang with Irene Namobiru. Yani, yani,
you love that song?
Yeah.
Why? What's the message in that song?
Because I was in the video by the
You in the video?
Yeah.
But young.
Yeah, very young. Why I like that song is because it touches my heart, and it is a song that you come to God, like come to God. Like if I don't know God, like if I know God and you do not know God, I can bring God to you.
One of these days we saw you on Facebook, and some videos were trending on Instagram, Ezekiel dancing Semiekozo. And we were like, Ezekiel, where did you get the song from, and do you know the meaning of those words?
No. I was just dancing. I even don't know what that song meant.
What's your name?
But I had people were mad at me, but I'm not really sorry, but I didn't know what that song meant. I really do not know anything.
You just got a good vibe.
Yeah, vibe of the dance, and I said dancing on a song. Just like the way I can dance on some other song. Yeah, that's how I danced on Semiekozo, and I thought it was just a danceable song. I also danced. But I never knew the meaning, I never knew anything. But I'm really sorry for that.
Now, kyetugenda okukola kigenda kubeera kyangu nnyo. Abaana bano bagenda tuyimbiramu akayimba ka Beyonce ke baperforminze wali babiri. Then bwe tunaamala omujja kuba temuyira kye mu manja. BBS fayina ku oli tovaako. Mujje wano kati. Sit here. Sit here. You're giving me the other song, Beyonce, the one you performed.
Are all these winners?
We start?
Yeah. They're all winners.
Listen to this song here in my
Now,
heart.
who's the first runners-up?
A melody I start but can't complete. Listen to the sound from deep within. It's only beginning to find relief. Oh, I'm screaming out, and my dreams will be heard. There will not be pushed aside or worse into your own, or cause you won't listen. Listen, I am alone at a crossroads. I'm not a home in my own home, and I'll try and try, see what's on my mind. You should have known. Oh, now I'm done believing you. You don't know what I'm feeling. I'm all the word you made of me. I fight at the vice I think you gave to me. But now we're gonna find my own. You should have listened.
Now, this gentleman, he's the winner.
Celebrity track. Subscribe.